Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate the passenger airbag, or the front passenger airbag, in a 2008 Renault Laguna Mark III hatchback from 2007 to 2015. Should also apply to the Grand Tour Estate and the Coupe. So in our case we're going to open the driver's door. And you see here at the end of the dash is an on-off for the front passenger airbag. So just push that in and turn it to off position. Now the next time you start the car, you're going to see passenger airbag off message here, and over to your center console you're going to see that little orange symbol. Now don't worry about the seatbelt symbol, that's just me sitting in the driver's seat without the seatbelt on, because I'm not going anywhere, but I'll put the seatbelt on just to show you. Now you can see just the passenger airbag is disabled, the front passenger airbag that is. We really hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes. Have a great day too, and never forget to fasten up.